Okay guys, so in the last video we saw in the model set paper that I was saying like this is wrong, so I'm my sorry, I didn't see this is weighted KNN. I just thought it is just KNN. Weighted KNN is just one additional step from KNN. If you know how to solve KNN, then you will be able to do 80% of weighted KNN. At the end you just have to do few changes. I'll just show you what. So here the test answer is 7.6, 80, 60 and 8. So you have to subtract 9.2, 85. See, this table is same. Just the values which you have to subtract. See, 9.2 minus 7.6, 85 minus 60, 8 minus 8, that is 0. Whole square you have to take. So I told you, right? I showed you how. See, I have already typed that thing over here. Okay, so 65 85 minus 60 is nothing but 25. So here it will be to 25, and here it will be 7.6, right? So 7.6. So if I just take whole thing, copy, click here, and if I go to the history section and check here, this is the scientific calculator until it gets loaded. See, you have to, so okay, it's loaded already. Take root. See, I have pasted. You have to remember bracket plays a very important role. Wait, here there are additional bracket. I'll just remove it. See here, 9.2 minus 7.6 the whole square. This is in one bracket. See, one bracket. This is one bracket. Then put square plus. Do it over here. 80 minus. It should come inside one bracket. If you are doing in scientific calculator, you have to do it like this. Then you have to put whole root. Or else, if you remove this root thing, if you give equal answer. Oh, see, the value is 636.56. Copy that, put a root. Root of answer should also give you the same as 25.23, right? See, 25 point. Okay, so slight changes, whatever is there. Can I do control Z? See, I trust my answer. Oh, this is 0, right? There shouldn't be 9 over here. My bad. So, yeah, 25.05. Sorry, it happens. See, like that, just calculate all the values again. Make sure you don't make any mistakes. You have to do it properly. Once you calculate all the distance, you have to sort them again. In this case, you can see 10, 12, I think 15. Yeah. So already they are the top three. So you have two pass and one fail. Here you don't consider the majority of the votes. Instead, you calculate weight for each of these distance. How? Let me just show you. So you have instances 4, 5, 6, Euclidean instances 15, 10, 12, class, fail, fail, pass. Now what you have to do? You have to compute the inverse of each. To calculate the weight, you have to find first inverse. What is inverse? 1 divided by Euclidean distance. So 1 divided by 15 point. Okay, I know you guys won't trust, so I'll just type 15.38051. Okay, I'll copy this. Now I'll go to the scientific calculator. I don't want you. 1 divided by, I'll open bracket, I'll put whole, oh, I don't need the bracket, it's one value. See, 0.06507. 0.0650, here it's 2. Why? Because 1 7 they have considered as whole term, so they didn't consider all the terms, they took it as like that, rounded to 2. Same way, you just 1 divided by this number, 1 take. You got these values. Now you have to add all these values. That values is called as sum. Now you can calculate weight easily. What is the weight formula? Weight is equals to inverse distance divided by sum. So 0.06502 divided by 0.24033. So each value you have to divide. So that will give you, see, for that weight of 4, instance 4, weight of inside. So we already have 0.06502, right? So if I write 0.06502 divided, oh, I have to click here, divided by, what's the value? 0.2433. 24.24033. See, 0.2705. See, 0545, just like that. Then you got the weight. Now what you have to do? You have to add the weight of same category. Fail, fail ka 2 are there. You just add the weight of these two, and you keep it as single. Then compare which weight is the highest. So that weight will be considered as the category. So the predicted class, by choosing the class with the maximum vote, the class is predicted as fail. That's it. Very simple, right? What you have to do, same like KNN, find the weight. I mean Euclidean distance. Calculate the inverse of those distance. Weight is equals to inverse divided by sum of all the inverse. Okay, each inverse divided by sum of, like that, and then add the same class weight values, which is highest, that is the predicted thing. 5 minutes, very easy. It took 5 minutes for me to explain. You can do it in within 2 minutes or something like that, but don't scribble very badly. Make it look clean. That's it. Thank you. We'll see in the next video.